Hello, everyone. This is Jay. I am with Patrick today, and we are talking about the appointment setting for financial companies. And we're going to talk about the challenges and the normal problem they face while securing more appointments or getting more clients. So, Patrick, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself, what you have been doing and what you have done, and also Patrick will explain how he is helping the appointment setting department for financial companies.
Hi everyone. As you know, my name is Patrick Riggs, and I have been in this industry from last 7 to 8 years, doing the appointment setting for different companies. You must say financial advisors, mortgage brokers, insurance consultants, wealth management firms. One thing remains constant, and that is your business thrived on qualified conversations. You can say. But here's the challenge in such a competitive space, reaching decision makers, earning their trust isn't easy these days. That's where a structured appointment setting strategy comes in. So the basic pointers that helps me a lot in my career throughout for the whole 7 years. First thing was understanding the landscape. The second thing that helped me out was multi-touch approach, and then qualifying the leads is the basic thing that you have to do. A good appointment setter knows how to qualify the leads, asking the right questions about their needs, goals, financial pain points before passing them to the advisor. I have been working with the financial organizations, the fintech institutions, working with the insurance companies, wealth management firms, doing appointment setting for them. And these were the things that I was always keeping in my mind to create the trust, to build the trust, for the personalization and for the human touch. I used to use these tools and get the qualified and successful conversions. So the measuring success is always if you have your KPIs on the track, number of calls, connection rates, appointment booked, and the conversions. We all know that data can help with you. If your data is fine tuned, your outreach and your identification with the messaging, the resonates, really help you to get your appointment into a conversion.
Absolutely. So there's a main thing which the financial companies miss is they can hire anybody and put them over the phone with the clients. So this whole ecosystem moves around the payment, and people are most concerned about the payments whenever they choose a vendor, whether to manage their bookkeeping, whether to manage their QuickBooks or anything.
Yep.
They choose best of the best, and the first impression any company makes once they reach out to somebody over the cold outreach or somebody reaching out to them from any ads. So the first person who will be facing the client, that would be the sales rep, appointment setter, or someone answering the call.
Yeah.
So if that person is not knowledgeable, that person don't have the knowledge how to speak with those clients, how to give them proper answers, so definitely it's going to put you in a lot of trouble. Um, people can people can get those type of answer from other companies, like if they're buying shoes from a store and if they're not getting the good answer, they can manage that, they can adjust with that. But if they're getting a vague answer from a company who's going to manage their wealth, so definitely they will never underestimate this thing. So that's the only reason we at appointment setter we have developed a separate team, a separate department who only looks after the appointment setting and sales generation for financial companies, because it's a separate you can say ocean or separate word. So you cannot compare this industry with any other industry. It's almost everything in this industry is almost opposite to other industries. And how we speak over the phone, how we deal with the clients for this industry is totally opposite for any home service
Yes,
business or any other industry.
you're right,
So,
Jay.
Barry,
Not
yeah.
yeah.
So I'm gonna get into you. So what are the things you believe like the an appointment setter or a customer service representative who managing a financial company he should be aware of, and what are the KPIs or what are the things he should follow when working in this industry?
Yeah. Jay, thank you very much. Jay, first thing, not every conversation deserves an appointment. Since you know, financial companies deal with the sensitive and high value decisions. People don't just buy it, they commit. So your outreach must feel professional, trustworthy, and value driven uh, right from the first interaction. So, whenever you talk with any prospect, from the very first moment, you need to build a reputation, you need to build a trust. So, your words will be very, very, very much uh, chosen or beautifully chosen, right? So, the key is targeted prospecting, identifying individuals or businesses who actually need your services, whether that's a retirement plan, investment advice, or corporate financial solutions. Gone are the days for one cold call. Today, success is appointment setting comes from you can say multi-channel approach or omni-channel approach, combining phone calls, emails, LinkedIn outreach, and even the personalized text messages as well. You're not selling it right away. I understand that. You are building the credibility first. A strong follow up system that includes relevant insights or financial updates keeps you on the top of mind until the prospect is ready to talk. Yeah,
Absolutely, and I believe this is the only industry where like setting a simple appointment will take few days, even sometimes few weeks. Like
exactly.
one any other industry, you call them, if they fill the form they're going to definitely let you know we need that service, and they're going to jump into the meeting. But this is some type of industry where they start judging you what type of company you are from your outreach. And yeah. So, what do you think, like, for appointment setting for this specific industry in financial? Do the companies more stay more focused on the phone system, or do they combine the outreach for on different channels like text, email, even sometimes LinkedIn? Is it suitable, or what's your take on it?
Jay, appointment setting for financial companies is more than just lead generation. It's all about connecting expertise with opportunity, right? By combining strategy, personalization, and genuine communication, you not only fill calendars but also build trust that leads to long-term clients. Yeah,
Absolutely. Okay, so let's talk about there's a well-known industry in financial sector, that's the CPAs. They
yeah.
are the one who mostly need this service because they are individual businesses, and normally they don't have the team, like they don't have big office and team. So, what are the things that CPAs should know if they are starting to advertise or get new clients, or if they're already struggling with it? So, what are the things we can suggest them if they're planning to outsource their sale or hire someone for their sales?
CJ, the first thing that we can advise or we can suggest to the CPAs or the fractional CFO service providers, what they can do is they can choose one industry only. Let's suppose we talk about the e-commerce or we talk about the construction. So if a CPA is doing a construction CPA services, construction bookkeeping and accounting, he or she must stick with that one. Specialize in that particular industry. Let's suppose we're talking about the construction, then they must provide construction savvy financial services, bookkeeping and accounting services. This helps the business owners doing the construction to not focus on to the office, but to the field, right? So CPA and construction business owner both can scale their business very easily. Now, once they start targeting the construction owners, they will be focusing on only one industry, and they will be getting leads from that particular industry. And once they are getting hot leads from that industry, right away, within seconds, they need to call them instead of waiting for a day or hours or days or weeks. Call them right away, set an appointment with them, and handle it, give it to the advisor or specialist of that particular industry so that they can close the client right and then, right after the discussion call, right? So
Absolutely, yep.
this is what
So
they can
we
do.
definitely, yeah, that's actually the best part. And we're gonna definitely discuss about the closing part later, but let's
Yeah,
focus more on the appointment setting part.
yeah,
Um, so we have seen a lot of clients who wanted us to push their appointment setting. Like if they are receiving a lead, they want us to close that lead within one day, get them into a meeting. But that always backfire in this industry.
yeah.
So, what's your take on it? Like, how much time should normally it takes to close an appointment to a successful meeting with a closer? And what are the things we should not do when pushing that prospect to the meeting?
See, the first thing that people are afraid of, or they do not want to say over the phone call, is that I know it's not the right time. When they call and they say, I know it's not the right time to call you, but I'm calling you. I'm not going to take too much time. But make this a positive way. Let's suppose if somebody's not agreeing on your take, you can say, I believe you disagree with this. Instead of saying you do not disagree, you do not agree, right? So they can convert, they can change, or they can choose their words very wisely while talking to a prospect, and they can add some of humor in it. So what exactly we are missing in appointment setting these days is the addition of humor. Whenever you're talking to someone, let's ask first, how is the day? Are they busy? If they have anything going on or not? And if they tell you about their hustle, appreciate them, recognize them. First, give them the recognition, build the reputation, and then talk about what you exactly are offering and how your business or how your services can add values to their business. Once and then you will be able to book an appointment, and you can fill your calendar with the quality meetings.
Absolutely. So, let me add a bit into it.
Yeah,
So, once the means of appreciating them is because this is the only industry where they're going to tell you how they started, how much they earned, how
yeah,
much they have. So they give you those details very proudly. If they have achieved something in life, definitely they need the CPA service after that. So like if I'm not having any money, so I don't need the CPA. I can just count
exactly.
them myself the amount of money I have.
Yeah, you're right. You're
Definitely,
right.
yeah, definitely. So they have achieved something in life. So this is the biggest point to convert those leads into the successful meetings by listening to their story, how they started, because everybody has a story. Everybody
Exactly.
came from the ground and they have built something out of it. So listen to their story, appreciate their story, and then once you listen to their story, then you can judge them what type of person he is. And the team we have, the appointment setters, so they're very good at that. We actually give them a psychology training on this. Like you have to listen to their client and see what type of client it is. Some is
Right.
someone is you just want to get the things done right away. Someone is who want to look into those things and compare them with others. Someone is don't mind putting money into it. Some people just wanted to get some low ball pricing. So once you listen to their story, you can see what type of person he is,
Yeah.
and then not only this helps the appointment setter to book the meeting, but that also helps the closer to close that client, because our appointment setter will take those notes. He will see the what type of prospect it is, and then he will mention all of those things in the CRM or whatever the system we're using for the client, and he will mention those things there. So once the closer will jump into the call, he will be able to start the conversation with the client as it was left with the appointment setter, and
Yes.
he should be able to, like, if he's a client who just want the best of the best service, he don't need any he doesn't care about the money, the amount he wanted to spend. So definitely the closer will go with those plans, with those offers. And if there's someone who wanted to save the money for, then definitely we can give them a low price and start the
Yeah. Yeah.
closing call with that. So the other thing is, now we can move to the closing part. So once we go into the closing call, we already discussed like appointment setter can definitely give you a start, give you a stance about the client.
Yeah.
So you have been a closer yourself in this industry. So I would like to ask, what are the things that you consider the most once, like one is definitely listening to their story. So after that, what are the other things we should know when we jump into a closing call on any CPA or someone from financial company?
Yeah, the first thing that you can ask Jay is the overview of their business. What are their specs? I mean, specializations that they're doing. Are they stick to one thing, or they're doing some kind of multiple tasking in their company from their product? The second thing that you can ask, and the main thing that you ask, is their pain points or the frustrations. What is the frustration they are coming to the CPA? Why they need a bookkeeper, why they need an accountant. Ask them first if they're facing any trouble in any area of it. Then you will be able to uh, give them the right and then answer and the correct answer and exactly tailored solution to those frustrations that they're having right now. Let's suppose if we talk about the financial industry and specifically about the CPA. I have been with the construction CPAs for a long time, and then I have been a closer with them. So what exactly I do was I used to ask their business overview, how long they have been in business, how much hustle they had building that business, and how they are able to achieve the desired revenue goal that they had for their company. And after asking these questions, I will be able to give them a tailored solution. Let's suppose somebody is having a good bookkeeper but not having an accountant or a tax filer. So I skip the bookkeeping part. I go with the accounting part, which includes the reconciliation of the transactions from their bank accounts, the cost codes, their job costing, their profitability tracking, their billing, their invoicing. In construction, you see, if you have had any chance to go through this whole thing, the construction business, the main thing is accounts payables and account receivables, and their ages as well. So to track those, to keep those things aligned, we have different tools as well, but an accountant is very, very uh, crucial to manage these parts of any construction industry. Let's suppose job costing, account receivables, account payables, profit trackability, project management. These things are really, really mandatory. And if somebody's not having the right tool, right person to handle these things, here is the CPA. Here is the specialist. Gives you the tailored solution and puts you in front of a CPA and get your things done uh, within a snap. That's how we or I closed in the previously with the construction business owners and the CPA was working for.
Absolutely cool. So, just a quick overview because this is our first time we coming live on social media, and you might see a banner on the top right side. So this is just we trying to see if this is something for us, and if this worked out. If you guys share the video, if we got some good response, definitely we will keep doing those videos for different industries. So, for any CPA or accounting person who is watching this video, we can give them a quick overview how we onboard our clients, especially the CPA clients, and what are the things required from them, and how we treat their project.
Yeah, definitely. Jay, I must say everything starts with the first step. You take the baby step, and I'm really happy for that. And for the viewers, those who are watching us, listening to us, thank you so much for listening. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights on appointment setting and business growth strategies. Thank you.
Yeah. So, can we share the process how we take our new CPA clients? What are the steps required when they are looking for a service? So they can either go to Appointment Setter online. That's our website for services. We will also mention our website link in the description, and we can give you a quick overview how we onboard the client. What are the things that we follow, and why we follow those things. So, Patty, can you give a quick overview how we take a new project?
So first thing first, we jump into the meeting with any of our client, whether it's a CPA, a fractional CFO, or just a bookkeeper, or an accountant, or a tax filer. What we do is we jump into the meeting first. We request them to give an overview of their business. We understand what exactly they need in the appointment setting and closing part. After listening carefully to our client, we analyze it and we give them the tailored solution if they need appointment setting along with the closing. If somebody's just looking for the appointment setting, they go for appointment setting. If somebody's looking for the whole full stack, team, remote team, yeah, we what we do is we give them the closes as well, who closes the end part. In first meeting we talk about this, and in second meeting what we do is we introduce them our resources, and we are the only company on the planet, I believe, who is introducing their resources to the clients first. We allow our clients to interview the representative and then onboard the representative. And last thing what we do is we sign a contract with with our client. We send them NDA, that is non-disclosure agreement, that keeps us under the umbrella of compliance, where we are bound to not share any details that is not allowed by the client or by us. After that, we start working on the project provided by the client.
Yeah. So this is a very good point you mentioned. Like we are the only company who give the representative, and we have been doing this from years, and we
Exactly.
have zero competition in this. And this is the only thing which like our conversion is almost 100%. If someone is reaching out to us, this is for sure we're going to convert him into a client, and we're going to work with him for a long period of time. And the competition, the any other company not doing it, because we are a limited company, and we don't take every project. Like if 10 guys reaching out to us for a service, maybe we're going to work with five, four, maybe six. That's a number. And we like this is hard thing, like to say no, but we have to say no because we only take the projects we can deliver, and only company to represent the representative before taking project, because we are confident about our resources. And once the client is onboarding a company, he doesn't much care about the company's size or what the company has achieved in the past. So the main thing that works in the sales industry is a person who's working on his project. So that was our focus. That's how we get the most conversion out of those leads out of any project, because we hire the suitable person who has either worked with in the industry, or if they're looking for any geographical location, US, UK. So he could be either returned from that location or have been working in that location from past 5 to 10 years. So when you sound local, you can be heard, you can convert the clients. So I don't think we're gonna get any competition in this um, uh, any far soon, because it's been 5 or 6 years we're doing this. And whenever you think you want to hire an appointment setting service, at least reach out to us, see an agent, meet an agent, have some gossip with him, and we don't actually charge anything for that. We our whole process is totally free, and we also used to give some free trial to the limited companies, like if there's a CPA, he comes in, any accounting company comes in, and he says he speaks with agents, and he wanted to see how the agent performs on his project. So we're going to analyze the company. If that company is something we can work on, we can definitely provide 1 day free trial. In 1 day free trial, we make the number of calls. We give you the conversions, if possible. If not, we show you how we speak over the phone with your clients. So the both things, this free trial and the agent before introducing the agent before project, is totally unmatched. And yeah, I believe we're not going to get any competition in this any soon.
Exactly, yes, you're right. I haven't
So
seen
what
nobody doing this so far in the industry.
Yeah. So
You're the
what
only
they
one.
do, they take the project and then they put the random college or school graduates on your project. So yeah. Um, Anything else, Patty, you would like to share with our viewers?
That's all for now, and I hope the viewers who's those who are watching us will definitely send a question, a query, or they can comment in the comment box to get the answer from us. If somebody is having any question, any query, any inquiry, just send us a text message, or you can call us directly on our number, toll-free number, and we are available to answer your questions. Thank you.
Absolutely, sounds good. All right, guys. So stay tuned. Please subscribe the channel, and we'll be back with another video soon. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.